What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Hey, listen up. Today on the channel, we got to talk about some of the breaking news that came out today. A lot of information came out today, but we are here to cover it all. If you're watching this on replay or you're just now tuning in, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come on back and see us another time. Jay, what are we covering today, man?
Today we are covering the state of Missouri because they gone and done passed a bill that is going to protect cryptocurrency and also some Bitcoin mining rights. So let's get right into it. So the Satoshi Action Fund has done it again, as Missouri has passed a bill to protect crypto and Bitcoin mining in the state. The right to mine Bitcoin bill passed through the state with bipartisan unanimous vote in 12-0 favor. That's right, unanimous. Got him. The bill is cited as a Digital Asset Mining Protection Act and protects the rights of crypto miners. Specifically, the legislation restricts energy companies from discriminatory rates based on the practice of crypto mining in comparison to other industry electricity usages or industrial. So pretty much to protecting people because it takes a lot of energy to mine Bitcoin. So if you're mining Bitcoin, you might want to think about moving to Missouri. That might be the spot for you. Now, this is the bill right here. We're not going to go through it. A lot of mumbo jumbo, but the crypto mining industry has always been a vital aspect of digital assets. Subsequently, as energy companies and some states have positioned themselves against the proactive protecting that sect of the industry has become a necessary task for crypto to continue to move forward. It has taken massive strides thanks to the Satoshi Action Fund. Today, Missouri passed the bill to protect crypto and Bitcoin mining in the state. Thus, the legislation issued will protect the process of digital asset mining from potential discriminatory rates. We already covered that. So pretty much this just goes over the same thing again, adds a little bit extra stuff. But I think it's safe to say that Missouri is a crypto-friendly state. So, Hobbs, what do you think?
I think that smaller states, right? Like, and when I say smaller, I mean southern states, smaller states, right? They're going to start to be the first to jump on opportunities like this because I think those are the states that are really going to try to take advantage of it, kind of like the country of El Salvador, right? Or I guess it's a country, I'm not sure, but the country of El Salvador kind of making Bitcoin legal tender, right? It's one of those things where if you see an opportunity to increase the popularity of your state, you're going to really pounce on that. I think Missouri is doing that through cryptocurrency, but I also believe that introducing the mining aspect of it is one of those things is going to help further the growth of their state, kind of update where they are in far as the crypto pipeline, right? It's going to update that and then bring more people into Missouri, especially miners that want to mine crypto, just like people go to Puerto Rico because there's no crypto taxes. So
yeah, I just think they're protecting the miners pretty much, which will be in the best interest of the state of Missouri moving forward.
Yep.
And we might see some other states hop on the train, hop on board. But Hobbs, they call Missouri the Show Me State, but I think they might have to change the name to the Show Me the Crypto, Show Me the Bitcoin State. So, but that's what I got, bro.
You should never ever do that again. But I was just kidding. No, but it is the Show Me State. But what I want you guys to do down below is show me the like button, hit the subscribe button, and show me the comments down below if you like what you see here. Come on back over to ClearCryptos educational channel. Check out myself and Jay Seals and all of the kind of concrete content creators that are here with ClearCryptos. Thank you so much. You have a great day, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.